welcome to my channel. I am excited to share with you my September Wild Hair Kit. I'm going to jump right in, show you everything that I got. I have not looked at it yet, so this is all a surprise to me too. So this month I told Allison that I was focusing mainly on catching up with my Project Life album, and because of that I would really prefer some flat embellishments along with some enamel dots and maybe some floral elements. So I will show you everything that I got to go along with that theme, and I'm excited to see what's inside of here. I've got these mini leatherette tags from Pink Fresh Studio. Very cute. I like the floral ones. And then we've got this beautiful sequin mix. This sequin mix is called Summer Playground, and it's from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and I'll show you a close-up of this. I've got these gorgeous enamel dots from Echo Park. I am loving these colors right here. And then what is this? Ooh, this is a stamp and a die set. I'm excited. I don't have any stamp and die sets that go together. I only have separate dies or separate stamps. But these are pretty cool. I love this floral right here and this branch. And I like that leaf too. Super cool. I'm excited to see what I make with these. And this is a really thick, I guess it comes with one of those magnetic holders for the dies. That's really neat. I don't have any of these magnetic holders. And then it also comes in this pre-hole punched little zipper container thing. That is really neat. Very practical to come with the storage already. I feel like that's pretty fancy. And then I have got the 12 by 12 September cut file here. It's a series of overlapping circles. I'm excited to see how I will use this. From Jed Hadfield, I've got this pretty foiled and cream paper. Again, from Jen Hadfield's Patio Party, we've got a floral and then a black and white. And then a cut apart sheet here that will be good for Project Life. Is this cut apart with the 4x6 cards here from Simple Stories, the I Am collection. And then a foiled, this is like a copper foil one, again from Simple Stories I Am collection. These are the 3x4 cut apart cards. And then the back of that. Ooh, I love this one. This is Pink Paisley, Paige Evans Pick Me Up collection cut aparts. I love the colors in this. Super fun. And then BU from Pink Fresh Studio. We've got this floral paper here. And then on the back, a dark blue. And then we've got this from Simple Stories Little Dude. I really like that cross pattern and this color. This is a great color. I feel like in this scrapbooking, most of the blues aren't true blues. They're more tealish with green in there. But this is like a true light blue color, so I like that. And then I've got some 6x8 papers from, I believe this is Maggie Holmes Flourish or Maggie Holmes something. But this one's got little birds. We've got a blue floral here, some little houses. Little houses are like my favorite thing right now. I love all the little houses. I think they're so cute. Another few florals here because I love florals. And then the last thing that came in my kit is this ephemera pack from Jen Hadfield Homemade. And it's got lots of stuff on the back there. Lots of summer themed things, which will be good because I have all of summer to document in Project Life. So here we go. This is everything in my kit. I've got all the papers here, a stamp and die cut set, enamel dots, die cuts, sequins, and these cute little page flags. I will have a link to the Wild Hare kits down below. Make sure to check out their website for totally hand-curated kits made especially for you. It is handcrafted and chosen for your style and the projects that you are working on. It's unlike any other kit club. So I will link them down below, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you like this video so you don't miss any of the fun upcoming projects that I make using this kit. Bye!